Another day, another English lesson. Get some help. Get plus person plus to plus verb. Hello, everyone. Today we're learning a very useful English structure. We use it when you want another person to do something for you because you can't do it yourself or prefer not to. The pattern is get plus someone plus to plus verb. We use this when you ask, persuade, or pay someone to do a task. Let's look at some examples. A. My kitchen sink is leaking everywhere. B. You should get a plumber to fix it. A. I can't understand this document. It's in French. B. Then you need to get a translator to help you. A. My dog doesn't listen to any of my commands. B. Maybe you should get a trainer to teach him. See how it works? Instead of doing the difficult job yourself, you get another person, a professional, to do it for you. It's a simple and powerful structure for giving advice. Now, watch and complete the conversations with the structure get plus someone plus to plus verb. Use the words in parentheses.
My hair is much too long.
You should get a hairdresser to cut it.
My kitchen sink is leaking.
You need to get a plumber to fix it. The engine in my car is making a strange noise.
You should get a mechanic to look at it.
My dog doesn't know how to sit or stay.
Maybe you should get a trainer to teach him.
I want to build a bookshelf for this wall.
You should get a carpenter to build it for you.
I think my watch is running slow.
You should get a jeweler to check it.
The grass in my yard is very high.
You should get a gardener to cut it.
I'm very nervous about my presentation.
Why don't you get a colleague to listen to it first?
I can't seem to save any money.
You should get a financial advisor to help you.
The paint is peeling on the outside of my house.
You need to get a painter to repaint it.
I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video.